Why is this soup a must-have for many Nigerian mothers after giving birth? Because I don't understand the reason why I was forced to make this soup just because I was rejoicing for the new baby. Anyways, let me show you how I made this soup for my nursing mother, the original Nigerian pepper soup. So these are the ingredients, the major ingredients of using for the soup. These are our offals, intestine, and this is chili pepper. I grounded it, dry chili pepper. I grounded it, lots of it because the woman was like, oh, she needed so much of it. And this is prekese, we call it prekese in Nigeria, and this is shaki, part of the intestine. I don't know what you call this, but I'll list the ingredients in the description box. And so I'll just be adding everything, and then some salt and maggi. Then I'll allow this to cook. And this is some bone marrow because I just want the meat fat itself, so that's why I added the bone marrow to create some oil, and then some onion, some salt, and then I'll give this a good stir and cover this to cook. So at this point it is actually boiling. It is almost cooked, so I just added, it's like half cooked, so I just added some bay leaf, some more suya spice, and the rest of the intestine, as you can see in the video. And this is the pepper soup spice. I needed extra strong pepper soup spice because sometimes when you go to the market, you ask them to grind pepper soup spice for you, and they will just give you different flavors. So I had to like buy different pepper soup spice from two different sellers in the market. That's why the colors are different, but they actually came out nice because one was stronger than the other. So I'll just tear this and cover this to cook. How do you make use of intestine? For those that eat animal intestine, like how do you make use of it? Because we Nigerians, we have varieties of way we eat intestines. Everything comes out very delicious and very different taste. And so at this point, the intestine were like, look at the roundabout. We call that roundabout. I'm just adding the pepper soup vegetable, which is scent leaf. Yeah, scent leaf is a major vegetable for Nigerian pepper soup. And then I'll just add a lot of it. She said she wanted so much of it. She wanted the original Nigerian pepper soup. So I just give everything in excess. Yeah, and the pepper was too much. She wanted that spicy. I want to understand the reason why so many Nigerians eat so much spice, like so much for the breastfeeding mother. Is it that it burns out the fats, like this fats around the stomach for both? Because I don't understand the reason why many Nigerians eat pepper soup, and they make sure that it's usually very, very spicy. Please comment on in the description if you know the reason why Nigerian mothers crave pepper soup. For those that eat pepper soup after labor, I don't know if this is a myth or a fact that Nigerians that eat pepper soup are more likely to burn belly fat, to lose that belly fat. Anyways, this is the final result, and thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it and hope you're gonna try it. Just let me know whatever you think about this and the reason why Nigerians eat pepper soup after giving birth. Thanks so much. Subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in my next video. Bye.